this is Gina. Welcome back to Tight Ship Mama. Today I am packing for Disney. So join me as I pack 4 kids and 2 adults up for a flight to Disney. It's our first time flying with all 4 kids. Each person is allowed to bring 1 small carry-on bag. So I've got 4 kids and 4 bags lined up. We'll see if they're happy with the choices. And for starters, my mother-in-law got each of the girls one of these activity pads with some crayons in the back. And I picked these up at Marshall's. These are just invisible ink little activity pads as well. The baby's backpack, since she doesn't have much as far as reading materials, I'm making her carry all the rain ponchos because it's supposed to rain our first day. My older daughter is taking flashcards with her because she's working on her multiplication and division, and she got a Disney one too. And that's my son's bag. I don't have anything packed for him yet because he's probably just going to bring a book. And I went to TJ Maxx and Home Goods this week, and I bought 3 suitcases this is going to be our checked luggage. I'm going to see if I can pack all 6 of us using just the 3 suitcases. I do have a 4th suitcase down in the basement, and that would be an additional charge on the airplane. So I'm going to see what I can do. I bought a little scale to measure and weigh everything, and we'll see if we can, each bag has to be under 40 pounds. So we'll see how I do. This is usually the first thing I'll do before I even start packing, is I will set aside what I'm going to wear to the airport or for the first travel day. This is what I'm packing for just myself. Looks like a lot, and I probably could even remove some items since there's laundry facilities where we're staying, but I'm just gonna give you a run through. I'm training for a half marathon, so I do need to get 3 runs in while I'm down there. So this is running clothing that can also double as going to the park with just sneakers and casual if I wanted to do that. Pair of pajamas. This, if you watched my decluttering my wardrobe video, that was the beach cover-up that I saved, and I did find this purple bathing suit that I thought went pretty with that. This is a sweater that goes with everything that I'm packing, and it can be just tossed on at nighttime. This is a pashmina scarf. I pack that in my purse for the airplane. If there's a little chill, you can use it as a shawl at night. You can cuddle a kid with it, whatever you need to do. That scarf is my go-to. That's a pair of just basic black leggings that can go under any of these dresses in case, again, it's a little chilly. These are 2 dresses I bought from Land's End specifically for this trip and then for summer. Some capri pants and these basic shoes I'm going to be wearing. I hope to do the bulk of my nighttime stuff in these shoes. I also packed my running shoes, and I only have 8 miles on those shoes, so I am going to try to wear them. I really don't like the look of sneakers with dresses, but I need to break them in a little bit, so I'm going to try to do that on this trip. This is an Athleta skirt. I can wear that to work out in, and then I can also wear it to the parks. This is a running bra / tank top that I can wear just as a tank top after I go running or just in the parks all day. This is a t-shirt, and those are the 2 dresses. And that's it. This is my suitcase buddy, my middle daughter. So this is her outfit that she's gonna wear on the plane. Again, we're gonna stick with easy on off. The weather is a little weird right now, so she has this sweater, and depending on how cold it is on the day that we depart, we might have our heavier coats as well. This is her bathing suit, and this trip to Disney is our gift to the kids for Christmas. So that's from us, and then Santa usually brings things that go with it. So each kid got a new bathing suit for Christmas. This is another dress, and everyone has a warm sweater or sweatshirt to wear, so she's going to bring that. Orioles guy, her pajamas. And other thing for Christmas, I make the kids pajamas, and this year it was everyone got bottoms that were Mickey and Minnie and a red shirt. So all the kids have the same pajamas, but we're not bringing all the same pajamas. And then she's going to bring 1 skirt, 2 shirts that go with that one, 1 flower pair of shorts, and a t-shirt that goes with that. These are some long shorts that go with a shirt that she's wearing right now, so I have to wash that tonight. And this is her other outfit. So this is my suitcase buddy and I. She has got plenty of room left, so that's probably where we're going to put our shampoo and that kind of stuff And on the other side is my stuff. So I'm gonna zip this up and weigh it to see how close we are to the 40 pounds. I'd say we're well under the 40-pound weight limit. This is what I'm packing for my 2-year-old. So this will be her plain ride outfit. Nice, super soft, cozy dress for her to wear. Tons of socks, tons of underwear, her Mickey pajamas, another cute dress for dinners out, her bathing suit, a little spring jacket, this adorable outfit that my mother-in-law made for her. That'd be so cute with the red shoes. A little skirt, a pair of shorts, 3 shirts, and this is a long sleeve cotton blouse and a pair of long pants, flip-flops, and sneakers. This is what my oldest daughter is bringing, and this is her airplane outfit, a t-shirt and a skirt with a sweatshirt and flip-flops. She packed more than the other kids, but she likes to have some choices. So there are the orange and the pink are skirts. This is a pair of shorts, 3 t-shirts, 2 jumpsuits. It's another skirt. These are her pajamas that she's bringing. She's bringing 2 bathing suits and a beach cover-up and lots of underwear and socks. This is what I've packed for my oldest child, is a boy. This is what I think he's going to wear on the airplane. So it'll be warm, and it's also a collared shirt, which I like. His pajamas. These 2 shirts, I'm not sure if they still fit him, and he is camping right now, so when he gets home, I'll have to try those on. These are just some casual t-shirts, 3 pairs of mesh shorts, a long sleeve t-shirt, a fleece pullover, some socks, 1 bathing suit, a collared polo shirt, a nicer kind of athletic wear t-shirt, and 2 decent pairs of what are for him golf shorts. And then he'll also pack sneakers, flip-flops, and probably a pair of Sperry type of shoes. It's the morning that we're leaving for Disney, and I just wanted to give you guys a last shot of everything we're packing. This is my son's side, and he's got a decent little spot there left. Inside here are all the snacks that I'm packing for the hotel. I'll probably throw a few snacks in a backpack every day for the kids just to tie them over in between rides or whatever. Here's my daughter, my oldest daughter's things. Here's my husband's sneakers. So the whole idea is to try and keep each suitcase under 40 pounds. So we're divvying up the heavier stuff. So sneakers from my husband. This is my husband's side, and he's got a few things. This is our youngest daughter's side, including, I did pack a bag of medicine and Band-Aids and Neosporin, my husband's hygiene kit. These are our old Disney mugs. I'm not sure if they're still good. We're going to find out, but that was what we bought 7 years ago. So we'll see if they're still, supposedly they're good forever, so we'll find out. If not, we can leave them there for another family to enjoy. Some more hygiene stuff, and the nice thing about packing as a whole family is that you're not doubling up on everything. You know, we don't need 45 shampoos. It's 1 shampoo, 1 conditioner that we all use. I'm going to go for a run, so I have my water bottle, and this is all my stuff. My sneakers are in there. This is an empty backpack that I'll be carrying with me at the actual parks. This is my other daughter's side, and some more snacks that we're going to have for Disney. And I wrap each bottle of shampoo and conditioner in its own plastic bag. This is hairbrushes and that kind of stuff in there. And then this is each kid's bag that they are going to carry on the plane with them. So inside they have a sweatshirt or something warm to wear. I stuck my book in there because I don't have any room in my purse. And they're little activities. Each one has a coat. This is the babies. So I did stick everybody's toothbrush in here and toothpaste just in case our luggage is to get lost. We at least have toothbrushes and things like that. Last thing is we're gonna give everything one last weigh, and then I'm gonna actually pack this in the suitcase with us as well. Hi everybody, we made it home from Disney, and I just wanted to give you a follow-up little clip here to let you know about the luggage. The airline on which we flew allowed each passenger to bring one personal item. So that's like a purse or a briefcase. And those were the small backpacks that you saw I had for each kid. So those were free. Then to check our luggage, I packed the 3 bigger suitcases that you saw. And they were not allowed to be more than 50 pounds. So that's why I was so gung-ho about staying under 50 pounds. And I believe each one came in at about 40 pounds when I was all done. And they had to be certain linear square inches. So ours were, I just measured them, 53 linear inches, which is height plus width plus length. And ours were about 53. And that cost us $30 per bag. So we spent $90 on checked luggage. If you were over by 1 pound, say that they came in at 51 pounds, the cost of each suitcase bumped up to $55. So definitely you can save a lot of money if you are flying and using luggage. Try to pack as light as you can. Where we could have saved is I could have packed lighter because, like I said in the packing video, we were going to do laundry and it was less than $5 for us to do laundry at the resort. And it was great because once you close the lid, it locked. So you didn't have to sit there and worry about someone stealing your clothing like you're in college. And my husband would go work out and he would keep an eye on the laundry and switch it when it was time. And we were right by the pool there. So that was another option. So we actually did laundry 2 times because that's my big tip is if you can do it before you come home, give yourself that gift because by the time we got home, I did 1 more load of laundry at home and everything was put away and cleaned up. Every suitcase was put away and we went out to dinner to celebrate my daughter's birthday within being home an hour and a half, 2 hours. So it was a great gift to myself to have that done before we got home. The mugs that I was showing you that I wasn't sure if they ever expire, well, it turns out they do expire and there is a chip on the bottom. So how we found out was I went to a little cafe and it had a sign outside that said refill your Disney mugs here. And when you go to put it on the beverage dispenser, that sensor reads the chip and I guess it wouldn't work. Like no liquids would come out for my drink because it was too old. But where it didn't matter was in our hotel for coffee because our coffee was just, we went down to a kind of a breakfast area and the coffee was just set out for anyone to use if you had a Disney mug. Didn't matter how old they were. So that saved us a ton of money because every morning we drink about 2 cups each. Then the kids could have a cup of tea if they wanted. They could have hot chocolate if they wanted to. And also at our pool, the bar at the pool, it did not matter how old those mugs were either. It was just, the beverages that the bartender shoots out of the gun. So the kids could get lemonade, they could get soda at the pool, whatever. So we had 3 of those mugs and that saved us a ton of money. So it was great. It was magical. Have a great week. I'll see you next Monday.